Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly incredible. Something that's been making waves across the internet, especially on Hacker News. Imagine, if you will, being able to see every single train in Great Britain, moving in real time, right before your eyes. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not. It's real, and it's absolutely mesmerizing. The project we're talking about is an astounding real-time interactive map of Great Britain's entire rail network. It's not just an impressive feat of data visualization. It's a living testament to the power of open data and ingenious engineering. This isn't just an animation. It's fueled by live data feeds, primarily from National Rail Inquiry's open data portal. It shows individual trains as dynamic dots, tracing their actual paths, reflecting their real-time speeds, and even indicating their reported status. Are they on time? Or are they experiencing delays? When you first open this map, you're hit with a visual symphony of movement. Tiny lines of light, representing trains, dart across the landscape of Great Britain. You can zoom in, pan around, and even click on individual trains to pull up detailed information, their scheduled stops, their current speed, their origin, their destination, and whether they're running on time or delayed. It's like having a microscopic view of a giant, intricate, living organism. The creator behind this marvel has taken what could be a static, overwhelming dataset and transformed it into an intuitive, engaging, and incredibly useful public resource. From a technical perspective, this project is a masterclass in data engineering and front-end visualization. It leverages technologies for consuming high-velocity data streams, processing them efficiently, and then rendering them smoothly in a web browser. Think WebSockets for real-time communication, robust back-end servers handling millions of data points per second, and sophisticated mapping libraries like Leaflet or Mapbox to bring it all to life. The challenge lies not just in getting the data, but in cleaning it, synchronizing it, and then presenting it without overwhelming the user or the browser. Now, this is where the Hacker News part comes in. The project quickly shot to the top of Hacker News, sparking an incredible discussion that went on for days. Why? Because it embodies so many things that the HN community loves. Elegant problem solving, leveraging open data for public good, impressive technical execution, and a genuinely useful and beautiful output. It's the kind of project that inspires developers and shows what's truly possible when you combine skill with publicly available resources. The comments section on Hacker News was a goldmine of insights and admiration. People discussed the technical challenges of maintaining such a high-fidelity real-time system, especially with the fluctuating reliability of external data sources. They talked about the implications for urban planning, emergency services, and even just the sheer joy of watching the network breathe. Some speculated on future features, like predictive analytics for delays, or even integrating weather data to show its impact on the network. Others shared their own experiences with similar data visualization projects, highlighting the difficulties of data cleanliness and API rate limits, which are common hurdles in this space. It wasn't just praise. It was a deep dive into the engineering, the potential, and the caveats of such an ambitious undertaking. Beyond the cool factor, what's the real impact of something like this? For commuters, it offers unparalleled transparency. Imagine being able to see exactly where your delayed train is, rather than just relying on static announcements. For researchers and urban planners, it's a trove of data waiting to be analyzed, potentially revealing bottlenecks, efficiency issues, and patterns that are invisible in static reports. It could inform infrastructure investments, optimize scheduling, and even help in disaster response scenarios. For developers, It's an inspiring example of what's possible with open data and a keen eye for design, encouraging more projects that turn raw data into actionable insights. This project is also a powerful testament to the influence of open data initiatives. When government agencies and private companies make their data accessible and usable, it unleashes a wave of innovation that benefits everyone. Developers and citizens can build tools that benefit the public, often in ways that the original data providers never envisioned. It fosters a more informed public and can lead to accountability and improvements in public services. Of course, a project of this scale isn't without its challenges. Maintaining real-time data feeds, ensuring accuracy, scaling to handle thousands of concurrent users, and continuously optimizing performance are all ongoing battles. There's also the constant need to adapt to changes in the source APIs. But the potential for this kind of visualization is immense. Imagine similar maps for road traffic, flight paths, or even public utilities. The future of understanding our complex, interconnected world might just lie in these living maps, dynamic representations that make sense of the constant flow of information around us. So, there you have it, the incredible real-time map of Great Britain's rail network. A project that captured the imagination of thousands on Hacker News and continues to impress. What do you think of this amazing visualization? Have you played around with it? What other real-time maps would you like to see? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explorations, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, stay curious.